If you want it, work for it. Hello mga Mars, welcome back again sa aking garden. And for today's video, we are going to feature an Echeveria bumps, also known as the bumpy Echeveria. It is a succulent cultivar known for its unique texture leaves and compact rosette form. The leaves are sponge-shaped with wavy edges. Leaf colors can range from green, silver to red, depending on the season. It is an attractive and easy to care for addition to plant collection.